Today, we will know about India's rich celebration of cultural heritage. India, with its diverse landscapes and vibrant traditions, stands as a testament to the beauty of cultural heritage. From the snow capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun kissed beaches of Goa, the country weaves a rich tapestry of history, art, and spirituality. At the heart of India's allure is its kaleidoscope of traditions that have evolved over millennia. The country's cultural heritage is a symphony of colors, sounds, and flavors, reflecting the amalgamation of various civilizations that have left their indelible mark on the subcontinent. The architecture of India, with its intricate designs and majestic structures, narrates tales of bygone eras. The resplendent Taj Mahal, the world's heritage site, stands as a timeless ode to love and craftsmanship. Temples like Khajuraho and Hampi depict the architectural prowess of ancient civilizations, while the forts of Rajasthan tell stories of valor and grandeur. Dance and music, deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric, are the rhythmic expressions of India's soul. Classical dances like Kathak and Bharatnatyam, accompanied by mesmerizing tunes of sitar and tabla and different classical music, is a sense of grace and devotion. The vibrant beats of Bollywood music showcase the contemporary pulse of a nation that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. India's cultural diversity is perhaps most vividly showcased in its festivals. Diwali, the festival of lights, paints the night sky with a myriad of colors, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. Holi, the festival of colors, unites people. Each region boasts its unique festivals, adding to the kaleidoscope of celebrations across the nation. In the amidst of this cultural mosaic, spirituality takes center stage. Ancient philosophies like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism have flourished on the sacred land. Temple, mosques, churches, and gurudwaras embodying the spirit of unity in diversity. The young generation, deeply rooted in tradition, is also embracing a global perspective, forging a unique identity that encapsulates both the ancient and contemporary. In conclusion, India's cultural heritage is a mesmerizing journey through time, a celebration of diversity and testament to the resilience of traditions. As the country sides into the future, it carries with it the echoes of centuries past, creating a harmonious blend that makes India truly incredible.